Honorable Mohammad Yusuf, the Chairman of Mohammad Sadiq Trust, Secretary of the Trust, Madam Sharmila, Dean Mohammad Jabahar sir, and the Principal of the College, Dr. Abbas Moeddin. My friend sitting on the dais, Professor Manivannan, other principals sitting on the dais, HODs, teachers who taught you for full 4 years, proud parents sitting on the backside, and most importantly, the students sitting and waiting for the degrees. Good morning to all of you. Yesterday I started my journey from Delhi to interact with you. Let me first thank the management for giving me this honor and inviting me for addressing the students who are graduating out of this college. Boys and girls, my dear students sitting here and students sitting there, please, I request your attention. There are just few minutes for you to get the degree. So little more patience. You have been waiting for full 4 years. And now maybe an hour, not more than an hour. So let me first congratulate all of you and your proud parents, because in my opinion, this is very important day in your life. You and your parents had been waiting to get the degree, not for 4 years, but they are waiting for your degree since your childhood. School going boys, I would like to mention about Bharadwaj brothers, 9th standard, twin brothers, looking alike. Just type in and you can find their story, and I read their story for you to understand. By the time they reached 12th standard from 8th standard, boys, not college students, school children I am talking about, they are CEOs of very big company. They are multi-millionaire in 12th standard. They are not even graduates. They have employees all around the world, and they have offices all around the globe. In America they have their offices, and in Dubai they have their offices. I would like to give you other example, which is Southern Indian, Sanjay and Shravan, 2 friends, their youngest CEOs. They have developed app, and 10 lakh downloads they found for their app, and they are the big people, millionaires, school going children again. Tilak Mehta, 8th standard student, Bombay. Do you know the story of Bombay Dabbawalas? Bombay Dabbawala carried tiffins for all the, whole of Mumbai. They carry the tiffin from your house and drop it in the office. The empty box will go back. You don't have to carry. Go back to the house. This boy found a potential in that. He watched all those people taking the tiffin. And there was a need, on the other hand, of carrying letters. He used the same team, 8th standard boy. He is a millionaire now, and he has a dream of setting up 100 crore company. He is close to now 100 crore he will be crossing next year. Example of Tanmay Bakshi, who is Indian in America, AI expert, artificial intelligence expert, author of several books. when he is a student of 8th or 9th standard. Lijjat Papad example, Rakhav Sood's example, Aryan Chawla's example, he is CEO at the age of 13. Why I am giving you, I have many such examples. Why I am giving you these examples is that we Indians are really extraordinary people, but we have to think about it. We have to find the area where there is a potential and use that potential and explore the idea, and probably one day you also can be multi-millionaire, and that potential is all within us, and therefore there is a lot to do. Newton has invented law, but there are many laws to be found, there are many problems to be solved, and each problem you solve gives you an opportunity to make a career, gives you an opportunity to set up a business. So let us also look at the example of our own Honorable Prime Minister. Chaiwala remains a Chaiwala throughout the life. You just look at some Chaiwalas, and there is one Chaiwala who has become the Prime Minister. The Chaiwala became the Chief Minister, the same Chief Minister became the Chief Minister again, and the same Chief Minister became the Chief Minister once again, and the same Chief Minister became the Prime Minister again, and the Prime Minister became the Prime Minister again. See, no break. And it is again an example of a Chaiwala. So I think there are many examples of Ambani's, our own Ambani, Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Sachin, who is your hero, and the latest girl, Hima Das. Hima Das is ordinary girl, very ordinary, from a very remote area. She has earned 5 gold medals for the country. I think we should all be proud of all these people who are doing wonders, and the same kind of wonders you all can do, because you have taken education not in ordinary college, but in Mohammad Satak College of Engineering. So you should all be very proud of your institution, and therefore we should take ladder one step at a time, slow progress. You can't jump and you can't reach the height, but take one step at a time, and I think you will all be very successful in life. I would like to wish you a grand success in your life, and also I would like to see you not anywhere but at the top. Thank you very much. I would like to thank the management. I would like to thank the management for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Ms. Firdaus Banu from ME Communication Engineering is bestowing the Anna University 18th rank. Next comes Ms. Shamala Gauri from MCA. She has secured University 22nd rank. Here comes Ms. Shamala Gauri from MCA. Next comes Ms. Sini Safana Bismi from BTech Chemical to get the award. She has secured University 24th rank. Ms. Sini Safana Bismi from Chemical. Now I call upon Ms. Israt Fatima from BE Civil Engineering. She has secured University 27th rank. Next, I invite Ms. Indumati from MCA. She has secured University 29th rank. I request Ms. Roshan Shabiha from Civil Engineering. She has secured University 31st rank.
Mr. Arshad Shahul Hamid. और ले आए Mr. Ayub Khan, Mr. Gobinathan, Mr. Gavaskar, Mr. Mahakartikeyan, Mr. Muhammad Yasik, Mr. Muhammad Ismail, Mr. Moses Jennifer, Mr. Mutteswaran, Mr. Naveen Raja, Mr. Periyasamy, Mr. Sheikh Abdul Rahim, Mr. Safil Thomas Varghese, Miss Dravida Chelvi, Mr. Swarna Kalai,
Siddhu Gujarat Maharashtra